Hi, here I will show you how you can use your Mendeley for writing the reference section in your research paper. So for that, first of all, you have to download the Mendeley. So go to Google and search by Mendeley desktop. Okay, so this is the Mendeley. Download Mendeley desktop. Go to this option. Yeah, this is the Mendeley desktop. Okay, so just click here, Mendeley desktop for Windows. Just click here. Mendeley will download it. So I will just want to pause this because I have already downloaded this Mendeley desktop in my laptop. So you first of all you have to download this Mendeley desktop, and installation process is so easy. So install this software. Then you have to create an account by using your Google or email account. So then you will get such type of tab. Just put your email and password and log in your account. So I wanna just open my Mendeley. Okay, so this is the Mendeley. So here you will collect all of your research paper related with your research topic in Mendeley. You can read, you can mark, you can add comment. So just I want to open a paper. See, like this is the paper. From there you can highlight the paper, you can mark the paper, you can text like I want to highlight this paper. Okay, so if you want to add any comment, then you can add note. Yeah, so this is the Mendeley. So here you can create different subfolder based on your interest. So like I'm creating a folder here and name for, okay, so I'm going to this. Okay, so here first of all you have to drag the paper downloaded in your laptop. You can do this from this option. Click this add option. Okay, so this is the paper here. Okay, like I am this. Okay, so just open. Okay, see, all the paper is added here. We can also add paper by this way, like okay, so you can also add. Okay, so just this way. Okay, so make sure before use Mendeley for reference writing, all the paper downloaded in your laptop in the PDF format, and they are collected in your Mendeley desktop. Now if you want to write the reference in Word, so just open some paper you respect. Like I'm opening some paper here. I'm randomly selected paper. Just I want to show you how to use Mendeley for reference writing. Okay, then go to Word. I'm opening a new blank. Okay, so after downloading Mendeley on a laptop, you will get a option, reference option in your Word. So just open it. Okay, see, here is the Mendeley. Okay, so from Mendeley you have to select it the digit line or digit information you want to cite. Like I want to, okay, so like I want to cite this word, this information here. Just I wanna select this. Okay, so see the name of the author of the paper, Jen Uli, graphene thin film based counter electrode for dye-synthesis solar cell. So go to, and the sentence is reduction of the graphene into graphene film or acid with thermal treatment under protection of argon or hydrogen follow. So reduction of the graphene. Oh, okay, so go there. Okay, so here you can use a reference in different standard. Like I am using here American Chemical Society. There is a lot of option: Nature, Chicago Manual, Style, 7th edition, American Sociological Association, a lot of. So if you don't find your desired one, you can also download it from there. Okay, so I am just using the American Chemical Society. So I want to write the sentence I wanna cite. So reduction of the graphene, I want to write there. So write the just reduction of graphene. Okay, and the name of the author is Jane O. Lee, and graphene thin based counter-electrode. So go there. Okay, so click this insert citation. Okay, so write the name of the author, Jane. Okay, so here is the graphene thin based counter-electrode. Okay, so this is the selected, and just clicking the. Okay, so it's your first reference you added, so just click the insert bibliography. So this is the information of the paper you already cited, and rearrange the information. Okay, so then I want to cite another paper, like I want to cite this paper, electron transport process, and Naomi Ilgrish. Okay, go there and write electron transport process. Okay, so write English. Okay, so this is the paper. Just okay, the information is already added. Then like another one, and like this one, the employment of solution processed, and the M. Antonia duo solution process. Go there. Okay, intro. Okay, so this is the paper. Just okay, so information is added here. So after adding all the paper, after citation all the paper, just copy all the information from there and open another tab, and paste all the information, and from there you can edit all the information as your interest. So like I want to just change color, I want to just delete any line, we can add any line. Okay, like I'm using third bracket there instead of first bracket, and changing the color of the number. Okay, so we usually don't use the DOI number in the reference section, so just I wanna remove this, then I wanna just remove this. So by using this section and by using Mendeley, you can easily write the information of the reference section in your research writing. So I hope this will help you